What's up, YouTube? Follow me. We're gonna take a trip into chemistry and explore chemicals. Follow me. Now first, you gotta practice lab safety. That means goggles and gloves. Hold on, got it. Okay. Alright, so today we're gonna be performing elephant toothpaste. What's that? Well, I'll show you. Okay, so first, you wanna get yourself a nice measuring beaker, right? You wanna measure, this is hydrogen peroxide, homemade by the way, 20%. Measure 100 milliliters. Well, that's dandy. Now you see this beaker here? We're gonna pour it in using a funnel. Looks like water, but it's not. Don't drink it, you'll die. Okay, so we take this out, right? Now we have dishwashing soap. It could do more than wash your dishes, you know. So add a few drops of that in. Boop. Oh, that looks cool. I like it. So we're gonna mix that in real good. You wanna get that dishwashing soap all around. Now we're cooking. Speaking of cooking, we have yeast. You know, the stuff that makes your bread rise? Yeah? No? No? Okay. That wasn't funny. Anyway, so yeast, open up the packet. We're gonna wanna use the whole packet, guys, the whole thing. So dump 1 packet of yeast in. Boom. We're gonna want to use 4 tablespoons of warm water, okay? But that's equivalent to 59 milliliters. So we're gonna pour it in and mix it in with the yeast. We're gonna wanna mix that in. Yep. Don't drink it, it probably tastes disgusting. So I'm gonna put my gloves down, on. We're gonna watch the magic happen. See? Ooh, it's warm. Whoa. Shh. Let's go get chemicals. So we need hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide.
Jared, remember when we almost burned down my house when we tried to make our own hydrogen peroxide? Yeah, what'd you do with that?
I wanted to wash it, so I put it in the dishwasher.
In the dishwasher? Ha! What'd you look at that?
Karina, what'd you do with the dish soap?
I think I was cleaning the computer with it.
Oh. Here it is. Got it.
Jared! We need yeast!
Did you check the electrical panel?
This one?
No.
This one?
No. That one.
The one that says corrosive.
No. That one.
This one. This one?
That one.
Yo, Jared, we need yeast. Would you look at that? Yeast. We got all the yeast.
Wait, why do you have yeast in the electrical panel?
Hydrogen peroxide is a molecule made up of hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. It can be expressed using the chemical formula 2H2O2. Under the right conditions, hydrogen peroxide will undergo a chemical reaction to break down into 2 parts, oxygen and water.
on.
Now let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
To elaborate on the chemical reaction, yeast contains an enzyme called catalase and works as a catalyst in this reaction. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up the rate of a chemical reaction without changing its products. The yeast is added to the hydrogen peroxide to speed up the reaction. The catalase in the yeast speeds up the process of breaking down the hydrogen peroxide and thus produces oxygen and water more quickly. When all the ingredients are combined, a stream of toothpaste-like foam spurts out of the container, hence the name elephant toothpaste. This happens because tiny oxygen bubbles from the chemical reaction are being trapped in the dish soap. When a chemical that is made up of only one molecule breaks down into two different smaller molecules, it's called a decomposition reaction. This particular decomposition reaction is also exothermic reaction, meaning it gives off heat. If you feel the sides of the bottle, the plastic should feel warm.
And that's how you make elephant toothpaste.